tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Elmo, Cookie Monster, and Abby are going to learn fun animal sounds with this adorable little barn today. Let's get started. Look, Elmo, it's a duck in the pond. Do you remember when we found a little baby duckling all alone and we had to rescue it and take it to the wildlife center? Let's go back and have a look at that cute little duckling. What does a duck say? Quack, 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 quack. Cookie Monster goes to see the dog at the doghouse. Now remember, Cookie Monster, you don't touch a dog unless you ask permission from the owner. We don't know if the dog is friendly or could bite, or maybe it's scared of strangers. Look, the dog has a little bone. What do dogs say, Cookie Monster? Woof, woof, woof. Abby flies up high to visit the little birdhouse. Is there a little bird behind the door? Let's push the button. What do birdies say? Tweet, tweet, tweet. What's hiding behind the red barn doors? It's a cow. Moo! 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 Now let's visit the horse in the stable. What does the horse say? Neigh! 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 Do you see a cat somewhere, Tiny fans? It's hiding in the loft of the barn with the hay. Meow, says the kitty. All right, Tiny fans, did you find the little miniature kitty somewhere early in the video? If not, you can go back and have a look. Let's go say hi to Kitty and see where she's sleeping today.